today we're going to be doing some tuning on the 66 Mustang. This is for a customer. Customer brought it in for a full-on build. The only thing we didn't do on this build was the paint, interior, and the top. But the rest of it, the drive chain wise, we did go ahead and do it. So let's go ahead and get started and get this car tuned. So first things first, we're going to hook up our timing gun to the engine. This timing gun is nice because it gives us RPM and timing, and I can adjust timing on the gun itself. We're going to go ahead and hook everything up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and mark off the distributor, and we're going to go ahead and mark it exactly where it sits before we start adjusting anything. That way, if we have any issues, we can always set it back to original timing. We're going to grab our flathead screwdriver, and we're going to adjust the idle air fuel mixture needles all the way in on the front two. This carburetor has 4, but we're only going to be doing the front ones, and so we can get our initial air fuel mixtures down. What you want to do here is you want to turn it all the way in until it bottoms out, and then you're going to turn it out 1.5 turns. We're going to be doing that on both sides of the bowls. So we're going to turn it in all the way, and then we're going to turn it out 1.5 on both sides. We want to make sure those are even always. After that, we're going to go ahead and hook up our vacuum gauge to it, and this one reads in inches. So we're going to hook it up to manifold vacuum. The best port to find is going to be underneath the carburetor. There's a little port there that is blocked off. We're going to hook it up there, and what you want to do is you want to turn out the air fuel mixtures until you get as much vacuum as possible. We're going to go ahead and start the engine and get our idle speed set before we do that. We're going to go ahead and start it up. You guys can hear the engine here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and check for vacuum. We want to go ahead and get as much vacuum as possible. And this engine is going to have less than 10 inches of vacuum because it's a high performance engine. Most high performance engines is going to have less than 10, but a normal engine is going to be between 15 and 22. Here we're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive and check for bogs, for any hesitation, any issues with acceleration. If everything is good, then our settings are perfect. No need to adjust timing or any other air fuel mixtures. We also want to check for idle at higher speeds, especially when the engine is warmed up. We're going to bring it back into the shop. We're going to recheck everything. We're going to make sure our timing is set. We're going to make sure that it idles perfectly, and then we should be all good to go. So that's it. Carburetor is tuned. Luckily for us, no major issues with the carburetor. Everything's running perfectly. The car runs great. It has no hesitation, a lot of power on takeoff, at idle, from kicking down, everything. So we're good to go on everything with the carburetor. Very happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a quick little vlog. I want to get back into the vlog, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and leave a like or leave me a comment and let me know what you liked about the video. Hopefully you made it this far. And if you did, I really appreciate it. Please go to automechanicclub.com, pick up a book on how to flip cars or some tools that you can pick up over there as well that you're going to be needing when you're doing work on cars. I really appreciate you guys watching the channel. Like always, it means a lot to me. I'm going to go and do a live stream for you guys. We're going to do live streams every single day at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're also going to be talking a whole bunch of about other stuff here on the channel, so make sure you guys stick around, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.
Get on it. Done. It's star time.